Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's DJ Show One King Legend coming at you again. You already know what time it is. This baby is here. Alright, what am I talking about? If you watched my my last video, I told you I was ordering the CVR 3002. Well, it is finally here. They shipped it out last Saturday and it is here today on a Sunday. Surprisingly, it was supposed to be tomorrow, but it is here today, Sunday. Alright, today is the 31st, alright, of May. So, I just got off work, did my 12 hours, I'm a little tired. So what I'm going to do is just the unboxing vid. And then what I'll do is I'll do another video with a full breakdown review of every detail, every nook, every cranny of this amplifier, alright? The ins and outs, the wattage, and all that good stuff. Alright, let you see everything on the next video, but this video will just be the unboxing. Alright, so I'm gonna let you see what I see when I open this box up, alright, for the very first time. When you get yours, you'll know what to expect. Alright, well, we had all the labels and all that stuff, took all that off, shipping labels and so forth. So let's get right to it. Alright, so I got a little snips or pliers kind of deal to get the staples out. Alright, go ahead and take those out. Alright, special thanks to Helen from CVR. She was great, she did my order. Alright, she got it out to me last Saturday, as I said, and today is Sunday, so pretty much one full week. Alright, 7 days, include today, it's 8 days. Alright, get those staples out. Go ahead and cut this bad boy open. Alright, as promised. Alright, told you it was coming. Took a little while, but it's here. As promised. It's the bad boy here. It's the beast. Alright, so this is the 3002. This is the 2-channel. Alright. She hooked me up with the CVR shirt. Thank you, Helen. Alright. Alright, it's extra large. Alright, perfect. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got a power con and we got a 15 amp plug. Alright, let's just see what that looks like. It's the regular 15 amp plug. Here's the power con, like the iNuke 12,000. Alright, at least this one I don't have to make. I actually did make a video putting that cable together, but my camera was all out of whack and it was only showing half of the video. It wasn't actually showing me actually doing the work, so I didn't bother post it. Well, I did post it for a little while, but I said it's not worth it because you really can't see much. But this is a nice plug. It's even better than the iNuke's plug because the latch is way bigger. Look at that. Look at that latch. Alright, solid boy on this. Alright, so I'm not going to go through full details of the power and so forth as yet, or what gauge wire this is. I'm going to do that on the next video. Alright, right now we're just getting it out the box. Okay, right, remember now this is a 1 rack space amplifier, nowhere near as heavy as the crown. Alright, here's the manual. Alright, as I said, this is the 3. What is this? Okay. Yeah, these are the other 3 models they have. That's on the manual. So I guess pretty much everything for all the amplifiers is in one book, which is the D series. Okay. Alright, so this is the 3002. This is not the 2004, which is the other monster, which is a 4-channel. This is the 2-channel. Alright, so I am seeing it for the first time as you guys are seeing it. Let me put this down. Get them undressed a little bit. Just take that. Get them undressed out of this plastic. Yeah. Can't believe it is finally here. This is actually a 2-week process because if you aren't ordering from CVR company, you do have to go through Alibaba, which handles all of the, I guess, all the wholesale products, companies from China. So you pay through Alibaba. So if you are going to purchase from them, make sure you call your bank first and let them know you're going to make a purchase from Alibaba, so that way they'll let it go through. My bank stopped the payment with Alibaba because, you know, of course it's in China, so my bank doesn't play that. I mean, if it sees anything crazy, it just stopped the payment right away. So it was a whole process. I had to do it through, what do you call it? The routing and checking account type way, the old-fashioned way, versus debit or credit. Because once the bank denies it, Alibaba kind of rejects that card. So then you have to either use another card or another form of payment. Alright, so make sure you check with your bank first and let them know that you will be purchasing from China. Alright, there you go. Alright. As I said, this is the 2-channel. This is not the 4-channel model. This is 2-channel. Power button. Alright. I'll give you the full rundown in the next video. Not as heavy. This is probably about the same weight as the iNuke 12,000, I would say. So, look at all those fans on the back. Alright. But as I said, I'll do the next video and explain everything, tell you what everything is. Alright, this is just the unboxing. Alright. Boy, this baby is sweet. Whew. Deeper than I thought. Thought it was probably about here. But this bad boy is official. Probably about the same depth as iNuke. Probably at least 19 inches. Well, I'll save that for the next video. Measure it up and let you know everything, alright? So, there you have it. My baby's finally here from China, alright? Long ways, 2 weeks wait, 1 week shipping, one week with the payment situation. Alright, because my bank was crazy enough to stop the payment. So yeah, about 2 weeks. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for the next video. Alright, DJ Show 1 King Legend signing out. The review will be coming in a couple of days. Alright, like I said, I just got off work, did my 12 hours. I'm tired, can't do the review today, so I'll do it on my day off on Tuesday. Alright, thanks again, appreciate it. Please subscribe, please share the knowledge. Alright.